Hello everyone. In this video, we will look at how to integrate WhatsApp API with Whautomate platform. There are a few different ways you could integrate WhatsApp API with Whautomate platform. One way is to directly use WhatsApp Cloud API hosted by Meta. And the other way is there are multiple business solution providers approved by Meta. You could sign up with one of those business solution provider and get your API key and put it in our platform as well. In this demo, we will look at how to integrate with WhatsApp hosted cloud API as such. First thing is you can go to integrations menu option and click on connect within WhatsApp. We have written a detailed documentation on how to integrate with WhatsApp cloud API. You can follow along, read through if you have any questions and use this as a reference. And I'm going to be following these steps in this article and create the app within Facebook developer portal as such. I'm going to go into developers.facebook.com. If you have never used developers.facebook.com, it'll ask you to sign up. The step is pretty straightforward and you could use your Facebook credentials to do so. And it'll ask you to accept certain terms and conditions as well, which you can do. And once you're done, probably you will land up in the My App section. This is where what I'm going to do is create a new app. And I'm going to select the category as business and click on next. You need to give it a name. I'm just going to call it Whautomate Demo. And you need to provide an email address where Meta can reach out to you on any queries regarding the app as such. Business account, even though it is optional, it is good that you add a business account. If you have done advertising with Meta, you may already have a business account within WhatsApp. If you don't have one, you can always create one as well. I'm just going to quickly select this, create app. Now that our app is created, I'm going to go to WhatsApp and click on Setup. I'm going to go to the Getting Started section. By default, WhatsApp offers test number and you can use up to 5 different numbers to send messages to. You get about 50 messages that you can send using your test number. But in this instance, I'm going to register a new number altogether just to show you guys how that process is done. In order for me to add a phone number, I should have marked this app as live. For me to do so, I should go to Basic, provide a privacy policy URL and terms of service URL for the app for Meta to review as such. And the other thing is, if you want to use an existing number that is already associated with a WhatsApp account, you must first delete that WhatsApp account and then you can come in and add that number in here. If you're using a totally new number that hasn't had a WhatsApp account before, then it's pretty straightforward. You can just add the number directly. I'm going to give a privacy policy URL that is associated to my business. If you have one, you can provide that. And if you're going to use Whautomate, and if you don't have a privacy policy, you can use our privacy policy as well. I'm going to choose a category for the app, mobility and productivity. And I have to provide a DPO as well. We have a DPO appointed and the country is Singapore for our business, which I'm going to select. I've selected Singapore and I'm going to click on Save. Okay, once this is done, I will be allowed to mark the app as live. Okay, the app is now marked as live. Let's go back to WhatsApp Getting Started. And I want to add a new phone number. I want to give it a profile name as Whautomate Demo, and this is the category that is associated with your WhatsApp profile. So you can choose whatever that is relevant to your business. I'm just going to call it Other. Okay, now that we have filled in all the details, you can select the country code and provide your number. I'm just going to type in my number. I've typed in the phone number, and you have an option either to verify using text message or phone call. I'm just going to use the text message and click on next. Now I would receive OTP. Okay, our phone number is verified, as you can see. Now I can just check if my messages are working. It is asking me to review an issue. You can click on this link and follow this link to provide any additional information that you need to provide. I'm just gonna select this particular business. Okay, I don't see any specific issues. Let's just try messaging and see if that works. I'm gonna select one. I've successfully received a message from that phone number. That means the outgoing messages from that number is working using WhatsApp Cloud API, which is a good thing. You may want to bookmark this URL, because this is an URL that you can access frequently and view the conversations that have been sent, and any pricing information, your profile information, or even your message templates. You can access them and verify them or edit them from here as well. This is something that you will be accessing quite a lot, so it's better that you bookmark this URL as such. And the way I got here is by clicking on this and then selecting. Okay. Now that we've got this thing sorted, the next thing that we want to do is configure webhook for this app. Webhook is a way for Meta to actually forward all the messages to our server, our Whautomate server, so that we can store it on your account and display it for you within the Whautomate platform as well. At the same time, with WhatsApp message templates, if there are any status changes or anything regards to message templates that happens within Meta account, that will be notified to Whautomate platform as well, so that Whautomate platform can actually make some actions based on that. I'm going to go into Whautomate platform, scroll down. I have the webhook settings. These settings will be unique for your business as such. I'm going to copy this and go back to my webhook and click on edit. I just want to paste this, and I want to go back to the app and copy the verify token as well, and click here and click on verify and save. Now that our webhook is added, I want to click on manage here, and two things are important for us to listen to. One is the messages, and the other one is message template status update. These are the two things that we monitor, and we listen to those events and perform subsequent actions within Whautomate platform as such. I'm going to close this. Now that we have configured our webhooks, the last thing that we need to do is create a system token for our platform that doesn't expire, so that we can keep sending messages from our platform as such. In order to do that, I need to go to business.facebook.com. Go to business.facebook.com and /settings. Select the business account and go to system users. In this instance, I already have a system user. If you don't have one, you can click on this add icon and select administrator and give it a name. You could have only one system user under an account. So yeah, if you already have one, you can generate as many tokens as you want within that one single account. If you don't have one, you can create one as well. I'm going to use the one that is already there. I need to add the app that I just created to this system account by clicking on add asset. I can go to apps and select the demo app that we just created and click on full control and save changes. Now that we have added our Whautomate demo app to this user account, let's generate a new token. I'm going to select Whautomate demo because that is the app that we created. We need to give two permissions. One is WhatsApp Business Management and WhatsApp Business Messaging. Once you add those two permissions, click on generate. Once you get this token, you copy this token and come back to our platform and put that token as the API token. Just make sure there are no additional spaces added to the API token as such. And a couple of other things that we need is go back to the developer.facebook.com, the app, and go to getting started. And you will have the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. Copy the phone number ID, go back to our platform and paste it, and copy the WhatsApp business account ID, go back to our platform and paste it. Once you've done all of the steps, then you can click on save. What this will do is this will also submit a bunch of message templates. As you can see here, it has also submitted a bunch of message templates. These are templates that will be used by the platform for sending invoices or forms to your customers as such. Most of the templates will be approved within minutes. If your business is verified, it will all be approved within minutes or seconds. If your business is not verified, that's when a lot of the message templates will be rejected as well. We also have a profile menu option enabled. You could add your logo and business information. Just gonna pull it as Whautomate demo. You can also add a logo. You can fill in other details as well. And you can save. Now that we have successfully connected the WhatsApp API, let's see if that works. Okay, I'm just going to send a template message. I'm just going to use this just for demo purpose. Send message. As you can see here, we have received the message. That means everything works as expected. Close the chat. In the instance you're not sure whether your business is verified or you need to verify your business account, the best way to do it is go check it and submit for verification with Meta. The way you can do it is go to business.facebook.com/settings and select your business account, and under the business info, here, as you can see, the business verification status here is verified. If you're a business that is not verified, you will have a different option called verify business, and click on that to verify your business. You may need to submit documentation about registration of your business and several other details as per Meta's requirement as such. That's it on this demo. If you'd like to learn more about our platform, follow along this tutorial series. To understand more about our platform, you can always sign up for a free trial with Whautomate. Follow the link in the description and sign up for a free trial account. And if you'd like us to set up your WhatsApp integration for your business, feel free to reach out to us and we will be able to set it up for you. Thank you.